I'm going to show you how you can design a business poster for yourself. Okay, how you can design like a branded poster for your business using this app called Poster Maker. Okay, so you go to your Google Play Store, your iOS store, and download this app, Poster Maker. Once you download and install this app, you click to open and you allow it to load. Okay, you allow it to load, and once this is done loading, all you need to do, okay, now guys, this is how it looks like, the Poster Maker. Okay, now you can see business posters. It will give you a whole lot of options, posters you can get for free for yourself. Okay, so guys, with this you don't need to get just the services of a professional. You can click on see more and you get a whole lot of options. Okay, so rating pro means you have to subscribe to have access to them. We have a lot of free templates for you to design with. Okay, so you can scroll down, you have a whole lot. Okay, so you continue to scroll until you get what you want. And okay guys, now this you see there's no pro written on it, means you can edit this template for free. So all you need to do is to click on it and allow the templates to load completely. And here guys, you hit the edit. Okay, and it will give you the environment where you can make changes. So guys, all you need to do is to click on the text to make changes, click on an image to either remove or edit. Okay, so then click on this, you hit the edit button here, change this text content to whatever you wish to. We are here. Okay, once you are done, you hit this button here and it changes completely. Like you can see, you hit this button, click on edit, change this, say MJ Tech Academy. Okay, you hit this, automatically you have this. You can use this button here to increase the size or reduce the size. Okay, increase the size. So guys, you can keep changing the content. If you have a website, same thing, you click on edit, you change the name here to your website. Okay, change it. Once you are done, you hit this button here, the good icon, and you have it. Okay, to change, you can move it, just hit, use your hand, press and hold down to move to any location and place it there. Okay, so this is an image, like you can see down here. You can either replace, you can erase. Okay, you can work on the size, okay, adjust to the size, you can crop the image. Okay, you can crop the image. If you want something like this, you can see how beautiful they are. You say I want it this way, click to select. Okay. Click on save. The ads will always play out. You allow them to play and close it. Okay guys, now you have something like this. Okay, you have something like this. So guys, you can make changes to everything you see here. Everything. You can change the color, you can change this, you can change, type it, change it to whatever contents you wish to. You can decide to remove date and leave the time and leave just the date. Okay, adjust it to the middle. Okay, these are colors, fonts. Guys, change the font style. Okay, so you can see we have different types. You can click on this, it changes immediately. You can change the color. Want to have this black, I can change to this color. You just click on it, changes immediately. Okay, you can also change the color. This, you can decide to give it different color completely, give it this color. Okay, so guys, you can see it's taking shape already. So once you're done and satisfied, you click on save. You have the HD, you have the original. You can choose either of them. You allow the art to play. Do you love the poster? Yes, no, it's not compulsory. Close it. So guys, you are done designing. You have a success. So guys, you can share this on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. You can hit these 3 dots here to give you more options. You can copy, you can save the image to your device. You can save to a folder or file, and you are ready to go. So guys, I believe with this you should be able to design a business poster yourself, okay, for your brand, for someone else, and also earn money from it. Alright guys, thank you for your time, and bye.